How to change your default gallery app for your Poco F5 phone. And this basically allows you to open up the gallery app that will view the photos that you're about to view as default app. Okay, so if you want to change that app that opens up a gallery app every time you're about to view a photo, here's where you can go to do this. To find these settings, use the quick panel access and tap on the settings right here, this one right there. This will take you to the main settings of your Poco F5 phone. Then just go all the way down to where it says apps, this right here. From the apps section here, you'll now go to where it says manage apps. And once in this view here, you'll go to the three dots at the top right. Once here now, go to default apps. And then you'll be taken to the default apps section. Now, I would say to search the words default apps, but it doesn't take you to where you need to go. So once you're here now, you'll look for the gallery section here, which would be your gallery default app. Okay, so this is going to be the app that will view a photo once you tap on that photo to view it that's on your device here. Okay, and I want to recommend to go with the gallery one, which is your default gallery app that comes with the Poco F5 phone. Okay, and that's that. You can come back here and change these at any given time. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.